Setting up a video ad campaign with ExoClick Part 1. Before we begin, there are many factors involved in order to get the end user to click on your video ad and then convert by making a purchase. First, there is the video ad creative, the video texts and CTA, your landing page content and creative, your pricing, the ease of your payment methods, and the video ad format you choose. There are 3 video ad formats to choose from. In-stream plays before an end user can watch the video content they have selected to watch, just like on YouTube. This format has a very high CTR, but it is also more expensive to bid for. Global CTRs are 6.9%. Outstream appears and plays while an end user is scrolling through a website. Think of it as a display ad that plays video. It has a much higher CTR compared to banners and is less expensive than the in-stream format. Global CTRs are around 1.2%. Video slider. This slides in on the bottom right of the web page, so it's very eye-catching for end users. It has a high CTR and is also less expensive than in-stream. Global CTRs are around 1.8%. It is very important to first set up test campaigns. Keep them running for at least 7 days, including the weekend. Do not give up after 2 days if you have few or no conversions. You need to test for at least a week to collect a good amount of data. You will then use this valuable data to launch full campaigns. You need to create separate campaigns for in-stream, outstream and slider to test which format gives you the best conversions. Please note, in video campaign setup, all is enabled by default, which will target all video campaign ad formats. Now you need to create dedicated campaigns for each format, because if you target all 3 video formats, the key performance metrics between in-stream, slider and outstream formats are different. So to set up individual video format campaigns, only select the format you want to use. So let's set it up now. First of all, name your campaign. Select the categories you want to target. Select video from the ad format drop-down menu. As you can see, everything is highlighted. Click on all, and now you can select which button you want to use. For this demonstration, we will select Outstream Video. Now let's upload your video ad. Click the Add Variations button, add the landing page URL, click Select Files, and Upload Files. Then add one variation. And there you can see it pending approval. Also, set up separate mobile and desktop campaigns due to different performance on different devices. Now this is a test campaign, so we need to get as much data as possible, so let's keep the targeting wide. So for desktop, first of all we choose our geo. Here we choose the United States. Devices, we select desktop. Operating system, let's select web. For the mobile version of the campaign, let's choose the geo, which is United States again. Devices, mobile. And we're going to target Android with this campaign. We will probably set up a separate campaign for iOS. So let's look at pricing. Now for your daily testing budget, aim for $50 to $100 as your daily budget. Anything less will not get you enough data. And for test campaigns, always use Smart CPM. This will help you win bids within your set budget. We also recommend that you use ExoClick's bidder, which we'll talk about in a minute. So let's go to pricing and limits. Click on Smart CPM. As you can see, the price defaults to 10 cents. So let's change this to $1. Now let's select the frequency capping. Ensure that you enable this, which allows you to restrict the number of times a unique user will see your video ad to prevent video ad blindness. We recommend 1 time every 24 hours. So here is the daily limits. So this is where we're talking about your daily testing budget. Now we said between 50 and 100. So here we put $75. Now you should select your delivery mode. Now select distribute throughout the day for your test campaigns, because again, this will help gather you more realistic data. Now choose your start date. As we said, you should test for 1 week. So let's set the time period start for this date and 1 week later for the end date. Now let's set up the bidder. You can use the bidder to automate bids for you and automatically block non-performing ad zones. We recommend not to set too many rules, and the example we're about to show you is a good starting point for video advertising. So first, set up your bidding algorithm. Name the algorithm. Click Automatic Bidding Optimization. Now the target CPA should be slightly lower than the actual CPA. So for example, in this one our CPA is 2, so we're setting the target CPA at 1.9. Then set your maximum test budget at twice the CPA. In this example, because our CPA is 2, we set it at 4. This might seem like a basic algorithm, but it is very effective for video advertising. Now it's time to keep checking. So don't just leave your test campaigns to run. Keep checking them in the stats every day, including weekends. And if you see something strange that maybe you don't understand, you can always reach out to your account manager or a client care specialist. In our next video, part 2, we will look at how to optimize your video campaign after 7 days testing.